You guys, welcome back. Today let's make tambakung Luang Prabang. Luang Prabang style papaya salad known for its long and wide shreds of papaya, making for a crispy bite. Let's get started. Crisp green papaya. Peel. Wash well. With a peeler, shave into long, wide shreds like this. We'll need Thai eggplant, yard-long beans, cherry tomatoes, fresh and dried red chilies, and chili seeds for that extra spice. Let's pound it all up. Dried red chilies, fresh red chilies, garlic, palm sugar. This brand comes in small lumps like this. MSG, crab paste, shrimp paste, lots of umami, fish sauce, and seasoned unfiltered fish sauce, also known as Padaek. Sliced cherry tomatoes. And snap the yard-long beans into pieces like this. Thai eggplant, pound it up. Fresh lime juice, pound it up. Crisp green papaya, lightly pound and toss it up. Should be umami, sour, salty, and sweet, funky in all the right ways. Here we have it, Luang Prabang style papaya salad. Serve with freshly steamed sticky rice and your favorite grilled meats. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.